Hey, what's going on, guys? Nathan Gotch here, and in this video I just want to talk about the one thing you need to do to achieve consistent SEO results and to become a success in the SEO industry. And the truth is, you can achieve one SEO result. You can do really well with one keyword, do really well with one website. But if you want to achieve consistent SEO results with multiple websites, multiple projects, then you have to master this one thing. And not only do you have to master it, you have to actually execute on it and actually practice it on a daily basis. And so what is it with my clickbaity intro? So the one thing you have to do is you have to learn how to focus. And I know that's super annoying, probably not what you're thinking. You probably thought I was going to tell you some really cool tactic about how to get more traffic from Google. But the truth is, a lot of your success in SEO, or really in anything, is all going to be up here. It's all going to be on your ability to focus. It's going to be all about your ability to execute. And so what tends to happen with SEO is that it is, on the surface, it seems very intricate. It seems like there's a lot of moving parts. And there are literally a million things that you can do in the SEO industry and within an SEO campaign. And to put this in perspective, when you start an SEO campaign, if you don't have a strategy in place, you could end up spending a week optimizing meta descriptions or spend another week just writing alt tags for your images. And the truth is, those things are important in the grand scheme of an SEO campaign. They need to get done, but they aren't the things that are actually going to drive long-term results and drive huge results for your SEO campaigns. And so you have to figure out what to focus on and what is going to drive the best and biggest results for your campaigns. And the truth is, not all SEO actions are created equally. So, you could spend a week optimizing meta descriptions, and I could spend a week crafting a keyword targeted content asset. And the truth is, you could literally optimize a million meta descriptions. But me spending time just creating one content asset is going to destroy all of that time that you spent optimizing meta descriptions. So you have to figure out what is high impact, and then you have to focus on that. So in SEO, there really only are a few super high impact actions that you should be focusing on a daily basis. Number one, either creating or optimizing existing content assets. That's pretty much the most important thing that you should be doing in SEO, whether that's transactional type of content or whether that's informational content. It doesn't really matter. It's just the focus of continually improving pages that you're trying to rank in Google is a really, really good high impact action. And then the second huge action is acquiring quality backlinks to your site. So if you do those two things and you focus on those two things a lot and pretty much on a daily basis, you're going to see great results. And then you can start getting into more micro things like optimizing for user experience and then focusing on conversion rate optimization, which are still super, super important, but they're not as important from an SEO perspective than creating content assets or optimizing existing assets and acquiring links. But then once you've done all those things, then yes, you can focus on those more micro things like making sure you don't have broken links and making sure that you're tackling 404 pages that may have existing link equity, doing content audits, all those good things that are going to help you tackle a lot of those micro issues. But once those micro things are done for, you should really be focusing on the high impact stuff that's really going to drive results. So that is all I have for you today. I just wanted to explain that focus is absolutely critical. And this doesn't just apply to an SEO campaign. It applies to all the projects that you're working on. And you probably witnessed me doing this in real life where I shut down my link building services. I recently shut down my SEO audit product. About a year and a half ago, or actually at the beginning of 2018, I shut down my client SEO part of my business. And now I purely focus on my SEO training course, Gotch SEO Academy. And that's what I've been continually doing for the last 3 years. I've just been slicing things off my plate and pushing them off my plate so I could focus on what's most important. And even on a daily basis for Gotch SEO, I'm either just creating content or I'm acquiring links or I'm working on user experience. But I've narrowed my focus onto the things that are most important, and I hope that you do the same. So that's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, just please share it. If you have any questions or comments or feedback, whatever you want, just drop it in the comment section. And I'm going to be publishing a lot of videos just like this over the next couple days and weeks, because I am going to be reopening Gotch SEO Academy. So I do want you to know the value that you're going to get when you enroll in that. So I want to make sure that I'm preparing you for that big enrollment period. It's only open for a week, so I want you to be prepared. So thank you so much for watching. And like I said, if you enjoyed this, please share it. And if you have any questions, just drop it in the comment section. Talk soon.